Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any project like ladies cardigan, gents sweater, baby blanket, caps, shawls, jackets. From backside our pattern will look like this. For this pattern I have used basic cast on and ribbing. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 6 stitches and plus 4 stitches to complete the pattern, and it is of 8 rows repeat pattern. For demonstration I have taken 22 stitches. Let us start our first row from right side. First repeat, knit 4 stitches, 3 and 4. Then make 3 stitches out of 1 stitch twice. Knit 1 stitch, yarn over and knit same stitch again. Now second stitch, again knit 1 stitch, yarn over and knit same stitch again. Here we have completed our first repeat pattern. Now second repeat, knit 4 stitches, then make 3 stitches out of 1 stitch. For that knit 1, yarn over and then knit same stitch again. Now second stitch, knit 1, yarn over and knit same stitch again. Here our second repeat pattern is completed. Now third repeat, knit 4 stitches, and then make 3 stitches from 1 stitch twice. Now last 4 stitches, knit 4 stitches, here we have completed our first row. Now second row from wrong side. Purl 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now slip 3 stitches which we have made from 1 stitch with yarn in front, and then again second repeat, purl 4 stitches, slip 3 stitches which we have earlier made from 1 stitch. Now second stitch, second repeat. Now third repeat, purl 4 stitches, again slip 3 stitches, then second 3 stitches with yarn in front, and then purl 4 stitches, here we have completed our second row. Now let us begin our third row. Knit first 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now twist 3 stitches from left to right, from front side, like this. Now place 3 stitches on left needle and knit 3 stitches together from back loop. Then knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. From here our first repeat begins. Now twist 3 stitches right to left from front side, place on left needle and then 2 stitches, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2 and then 3 stitches together from back loop. Again twist 3 stitches left to right from front side, place 3 stitches on left needle and then knit 3 stitches together from back loop and then knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Here our first repeat pattern is completed. Now second repeat. Twist 3 stitches from right to left from front side and then place 2 stitches on left needle and then knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now knit 3 stitches together from back loop. Now again twist 3 stitches left to right. For that pick up 2 stitches on left needle, then release 3 stitches and pick up and place on left needle and knit 3 stitches together from back loop and then knit 2 stitches. Here we have completed our second repeat pattern. Now last 7 stitches. Twist 3 stitches from right to left from front side and then knit 2 stitches and 3 stitches together from back loop and then knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Here we have completed our third row. Now fourth row from wrong side. Purl all stitches. Purl all stitches till the end of the row. Here we have completed our fourth row. Now it's our fifth row. For that, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now make 3 stitches out of 1 stitch. For that, knit 1, yarn over and knit same stitch again. Now repeat pattern, knit 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now make 3 stitches out of 1 twice. Knit 1, yarn over and knit same stitch once, and now second time again knit 1, yarn over and knit same stitch. This is our first repeat. Again second repeat, knit 4 stitches and make 3 stitches out of 1 stitch twice. Now last 7 stitches, knit 4 stitches and then make 3 stitches out of 1 stitch. And knit last 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Here we have completed our fifth row. Now sixth row from wrong side. For that, purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now slip 3 stitches which earlier we have made from 1 stitch with yarn in front. Now repeat pattern, purl 4 stitches, now slip 3 stitches with yarn in front. Now second 3 stitches with yarn in front. Now second repeat pattern, purl 4 stitches, again slip 2 stitches with yarn in front, bunch of 3 stitches with yarn in front, and then last 7 stitches, purl 4 stitches and then slip 3 stitches with yarn in front, and purl last 2 stitches. Here we have completed our sixth row from wrong side. Now seventh row from right side. For that, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now twist 3 stitches right to left from front side. For that, pick up 2 stitches on right needle and place 3 stitches on left needle and then 2 stitches on left needle. Now knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and 3 stitches together from back loop. From here our first repeat will begin. For that, again twist 3 stitches from left to right from front side. For that, pick 2 stitches on left needle and then release 3 stitches from right needle and then pick stitches and place on left needle and knit 3 stitches together from back loop. Now knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now again twist 3 stitches right to left from front side. For that, release 3 stitches from right needle and then pick up on left needle, then 2 stitches on left needle. Now knit 2 stitches and then 3 stitches together from back loop. Here we have completed our first repeat pattern. Now last 7 stitches, twist left to right 3 stitches, place on left needle and knit 3 stitches together from back loop and then knit 4 stitches, we have completed 7th row. Now 8th row from wrong side and this is our last row of pattern. Purl all stitches till the end of the row. Here we have completed our last row of the pattern. Repeat these 8 rows till you reach your desired length. After few repeats our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and share it, and if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So bye friends, meet you soon in our next video. Till then, bye bye.